Are we gonna hang these up, Mom?
Hold on a second, I can't see.
Never mind. You can see, but I said never mind. Just can't see. Put the tissue paper back in here so we know where it is. I can go through this box. I like when we do boxes. There's a Santa Claus.
I need some more balls. Where are all the balls? Where are all the new S balls that we just bought? Those aren't all on here yet.
There's on this table, I think.
Hand me a couple. You hand me a couple of those, Jake, and I'll put some up while I'm back here.
Come on, look at this.
They got hooks on them.
It's cute.
You want this?
No, the S ball's not on here.
Yeah, those need to go on too. Are y'all done?
I'm going to this box. See, there's anything else left.
Where are the? Oh, they're right behind you, Jake. They're on the thing right there. Here, give me a couple of those. No.
Where? Oh.
I don't have thingies. There's some hooks in that on the end of the table down there.
See if we forgot anything.
Right in front of Jake. Ah.
Big beads. Crystal beads.
Here you go. Thank you, ma'am. Baby's first Christmas.
Who's that?
Jake. Jake 2003.
This is cool. No, I think this is cool. Okay, that box. Here, Tara and glass belt.
Here's our bowl. That one doesn't have a thing, Jake.
What, you throw it at me?
I was trying to throw it in the box, but I got a little. I flung it too hard. Here, we come over.
Want to hang this up? This glass bell thing?
Oh, sure. I don't care.
It's not. I think it's plastic. No, ain't no.
I think it's glass.
Oh, yep, it's glass.
It says glass on the wall.
When we take this picture out.
We need to read something on here. What? No, don't get into all that. We don't need all that out. There's no room for it all. We're going to take all this stuff when we undecorate, and it's all going straight to storage for when we move, so.